Hey everyone, welcome back. So my name is Lewis Pike. I'm going to do a quick video today on how you can live stream to Facebook using a software called Ecamm Live. And I'll go through some of the benefits of using Ecamm Live as opposed to using the native Facebook Live. But let's jump into how to get it set up, and yeah, let's do it. So first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to destination, and if you haven't downloaded the Ecamm Live application, I'll have the link down in the description so you can go download it. They give like a free trial where you can test it out, and then they do have a paid tier option as well. Right now I'm on the paid tier. It's like $24 a month. All right, so what you want to do is come over here to destination and click on Facebook. Probably the first time you set it up is going to have you log into your Facebook account and just give it permission to access your account. Once you do that, then you want to come over here to where you want to post it. So if you want to go to your profile, or if you have a group or a page that you want to go to, these are all pages that admins or have access to. If you want it to go to your groups, come over here to post a timeline, and then this will give you the options of the groups that you're in order to be able to post a video there. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to post it onto a page that I have, just a test page that I have here to go live. So I'm going to put that there. And then you can either do a scheduled live or you can do live now. For this training, I don't have a scheduled one, so I'm just going to go live now and post it on to that page. So now all I have to do, since I have it set up, I have where I want it to go, I'm just going to hit go live now. And then should take a second for it to go through. So right now, so we're live right here. We'll see live on the page. So if I pull up that page real quick, I will be able to see the live video right now. All right, so got the page pulled up. So let me just pull it over here really quick. 1 second. All right, so I have the page pulled up here. There is a slight delay on the page, about a 15-second, 20-second delay from the actual page on Facebook, as opposed to the actual software. Just giving you guys a warning on that. But right now it is live. You can see I'm in the admin area, so it shows published from Ecamm Live for my Mac. Obviously, any users that are on your page viewing it publicly, they won't be able to see that. But let me go ahead and minimize this page here, and then we'll go back here to the Ecamm Live software. So I want to show you guys like some advantages of using the software over just going live from the page. So within the software here is pretty cool. You can switch the views very easily. So if I just wanted to minimize me and I wanted to share my actual computer desktop, I could do that here by just clicking that button. If I wanted to just go back and switch it back here, I could do that. If I wanted to, let me unlock my phone. And if I wanted to show my phone here, I could show my phone as well. There we go. And then I could have me down there in the corner, and I could just do a walkthrough using my phone as well while I'm on Facebook. And you can also swap the cameras too. If you just wanted that to be smaller, you could do that as well. So now we're just going to minimize the phone, and now we just have me back up as well. Also, if you had multiple cameras as well, you could add those in too. So sometimes I have a DSLR camera that I have set up. I'll do another video on that, on how to set that up to use a DSLR camera. But anyway, so we have that set up. We have the different views. Another cool thing that you can do too, if you wanted to set up multiple scenes, you could add them here to set them up. So if you just wanted a quick way to switch to the phone, you could do that. Just set up that scene there. All you have to do is just go click add here, the plus button, and that will allow you to add a scene. But we'll go back to the regular view there. Also, if you wanted to add maybe a logo there, see, I have my logo here. You could add it there. You can make it as big or as small as you want if you want to make it bigger. So I just have a transparent logo there. So if you want to put your branding on the video, you could do that as well. If you want to show like any images or just quotes or slides while you're doing it, you can do that as well. So I just have a slide here that is shown there. It's real easy to minimize or hide these items too whenever you don't want them. So it's easy to pull them up and bring them down and hide it. But anyway, that is just a quick tutorial on how you can use the software called Ecamm Live in order to go live onto your Facebook page, and gives you some really cool options on controls, or where you can cycle through going through different functions. It also has like some sound effects too, so if you want to play those during your webinar as well. So this is just the air horn when that's playing. It's going to play, or you can just have like applause. You can add your own custom effects as well. That will play as well. But anyone watching the live video, then they can hear those sound effects or hear those plays coming back through. But anyway, that is a quick tutorial on how to use Ecamm Live to go live on Facebook. I'm going to do another video later, just going through how to use a DSLR camera. I'll link that in the description once that becomes available. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Have a good one.